Hi friend, once again welcome to Turnaround Academy program, and today's topic is there is no specific topic. Topic is return back to UAE. Yes, I think you have seen my video during the lockdown period when started how I came back to India. And I just to remind you, I came on 12th June, Air India flights, and there was a long story. Those who have not watched that, you can see. And now today I am leaving, and just my flight is Air India Express, and this will Mumbai to Dubai, and all the details I will post you. I have done my COVID test day before yesterday, and yesterday I got the result, and the flight was booked for Air India Express, and the 2 o'clock from Mumbai to Dubai. And detailed procedure I will just explain you. Watch my full video to know the detail, and those who are interested or planning to go to Dubai back or UAE back, you can put your comments. I will share my experience. Throughout that there will be 2-3 part, because just now before leaving from my house, this is my video I just started, and continuously I will just update, and part by part I am going to post you. So watch the full video to see the process, and those who needs some sort of guideline, they can put their comments, and also you can write me, and so that your journey will be smooth. Thank you.